Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam, for those who don't know me, and today we are doing our own Xmas Tin Christmas decor, or holiday decor, depending on what you're celebrating. And the item that we are making can be used for more than just like a holiday decor. But during this time, of course, saving money and stuff, I wanted to incorporate this and hopefully use it in our space to kind of make our space more decorative. Or briefly go through a list of the items that I include in the build, and whatever I miss or don't include, I'll leave it down below so that you guys can check it out if you wanted to purchase this or make it at home. You have that below. First thing is these cans. These are the main foundation of the decor item. Obviously you're gonna want fairly similar size cans for this, and if you don't have the same size cans, I would recommend maybe more of a 2-to-1 kind of thing. 2 of the same and then one bigger one or smaller one, just to make it more appealing and easier to glue together. These are 87 cents at Walmart, so they were an easy go-to can. Of course, alphagettis, that's just the kid side of me coming out, but grew up with them, so you know, reduce, reuse, recycle. Next up is the black paint. It was $1.50 at the dollar store, so that one's an easy go-to to get. Some leftover white chalk paint that I got from Homedepot. Yeah, we're using this for past projects, which if you haven't checked it out, it's a do-it-yourself like wire grid. So I'll put that up in the corner there, and you can go check that video out as well if you wish. Paintbrushes. Got these paintbrushes from Walmart. They're fairly good. I've been using them for a little bit now. So the plants we'll be using in the cans will be these roses. They were $1.25 each color, so $1.25 for the pink ones and $1.25 for the white ones. But I am using them in more than one piece, so I'll get my money's worth fairly well. And then these hollies that the dollar store called hollies, I'm not sure why, but these were $2.50 each color. So some of the other items that I might be using that I don't have with me physically because I'm setting up in my kitchen is like an Exacto knife to cut out a styrofoam to hold the plants in the can. The styrofoam is from just to recycle it in this project. Another thing that we'll be using to help kind of fill the cans is snow, which is $2.99 at Michael's. The one that I got, which is the best time I think to buy snow, is like at the end of the holidays. You're not really using snow anymore and they're just trying to get rid of it from stores, so the one that I got was like $1 or something. Think that you might want to use or create some decor items for the next following year. Make sure to stock up at the end of the holidays to get the best deals. And one of the other things is a glue gun that I'll be using to help glue, like obviously the cans together. I got that at Home Depot. The glue gun and glue sticks, a little more heavy duty, but you're also welcome to get the one from the dollar store because it also works as well. So as I said, extra items that I might forget down below. That's pretty much it. That's the basis of what you need. So we'll go over to my kitchen and we'll get started on making this item. So I'll see you there. First thing that we want to do is cut out the styrofoam pieces that we're going to use to hold the flowers in the cans. So I just start out by drawing around the can so that I have an idea of the size that I want to use, and then afterwards I will cut it out with the Exacto knife. Making a little bit of an adjustment. Styrofoam looked like a good idea to hold the flowers stable in the cans. Thought I gave it a good support. However, my styrofoam that I have is fairly thick. I'm just gonna take that step out, and the snow that we use, I'm gonna use a little extra in hopes that because the cans aren't super tall, that the snow will help hold the flowers in place instead of the styrofoam. So that's what we're gonna do instead. Just wanted to make a quick note that if you do have a thinner styrofoam board, then it'll be easier to cut out, obviously, so you're still welcome to use that. However, the styrofoam that I had was too thick, and I just had to kind of improvise and make do with what we have available. Next up, we'll be painting the cans black. So if you don't have paper already wrapped around it, just make sure to measure and cut out a piece of paper to go around the cans. I'm just reusing the label that was already on them as they weren't damaged. So I thought they would be a good use for painting over. First thing I did was put white dots, fairly interestingly placed around the cans on the front, sides, and back. And once they dried, I went over it with the brush side and just added a little bit extra detail to make it more like a snowflake. I then divided up the snow fairly equally into thirds so that each can had their own rough estimated amount to support the plants. Once that was divided, I then added the base of the snow into the bottom of the cans before adding the plants. To make the bundles in each can, I roughly laid out the plants that I wanted to use in one can to give me a rough idea of what it would look like, as well as how long to make each plant that I would use in each can. I then wrapped it with one more layer of snow around the top of the can to hold the flowers in place. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I thought it was a great and creative way to recycle some materials that you have in the house, as well as create yourself a decor piece, either for the holidays or whatever the reason that you're looking for a decor piece for your home. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment down below of what you thought. I always want to know what you guys think. As well as if you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button so that I know to continue making content like this in the future. As well as subscribe if you haven't already. so that you know when my videos come out every single Tuesday. With that being said, I hope you guys have a terrific Tuesday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. For more than decorative.